Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Elizabeth Galapin. I'm 34 years old. I'm single, high school graduate.
Okay, so have you ever experienced working as a domestic helper before?
Yes, here in the Philippines, and 11 years.
Okay, so since you have experience working as a domestic, what is your main duties?
Taking care of baby.
How old is the baby?
2 months and 8 years old.
Okay, so aside from taking care of the two children, what is your other duties?
Cleaning the house, cooking, washing, ironing.
Okay. Okay, so since you have experience taking care of the 2 months old, based on your experience, how can you take good care of the 2 months old baby?
Bathing, change diaper, feeding milk, check temperature.
Okay, so what else? Okay, so what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to 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 work here and earn money to support my family and especially my needs.
Okay, so finally, can you give the message to your future employer?
Hi mom and sir, I'm willing to work and thank you for hiring me. I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Can you promise also to obey the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise also to be a good and patient to their children?
Yes.
Okay, so hopefully that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. Before we end this interview, kindly show your very best smile.
Yes.
Thank you.